Have you ever wondered how fish manage to live their entire lives underwater without coming up for air? Unlike humans who need lungs and open air to breathe, fish have evolved a fascinating system that lets them extract oxygen from water itself. Today, we're diving into the science behind how fish breathe underwater and the amazing adaptations that make it possible. 1. Water has oxygen. You might think of air as the only source of oxygen, but water contains dissolved oxygen molecules as well. Though the concentration is much lower than in air, it's enough for fish if they have the right tools to extract it. 2. Enter the gills. Fish don't have lungs like us. Instead, they have gills, which are specialized organs designed to pull oxygen out of water. Located on either side of their head, these gill structures are made of thin filaments covered in even thinner lamellae, which increase surface area. 3. The process of breathing in fish, here's how it works. A fish opens its mouth and takes in water. It then closes its mouth and forces the water over its gills. As the water passes through the gill membranes, oxygen diffuses into the fish's bloodstream and carbon dioxide diffuses out. 4. Countercurrent exchange. Fish use a highly efficient system called countercurrent exchange to absorb oxygen. Blood in the gills flows in the opposite direction of the water, maximizing the amount of oxygen the fish can absorb. This method ensures that even the last bit of oxygen gets transferred. 5. What happens when there's not enough oxygen? In warm or polluted water, oxygen levels can drop. That's why you might see fish gasping near the surface. They're trying to get more oxygen. Some fish even develop adaptations to breathe air, like the lungfish or better. 6. Some fish can breathe air. Yes, some species of fish, like the mudskipper or lungfish, have developed ways to breathe both in and out of water. These species often live in low oxygen environments and have evolved to survive on land for short periods. 7. The role of gill rakers. Gill rakers aren't for breathing, but they help filter out debris and particles from water before it flows over the gills. This keeps the gill surfaces clean and efficient. 8. Gill structure across species. Not all gills are the same. Active swimmers like tuna have large gills and even ram ventilation, which means they need to keep swimming to force water over their gills. Others, like goldfish, can pump water even while stationary. 9. Do fish sleep without drowning? Yes, fish do rest and even sleep in a way, but their gills continue to function while they are inactive, allowing them to keep breathing underwater even during rest. 10. Evolution of gills. Gills have been around for hundreds of millions of years. Even some early amphibians had gill-like structures. Their evolution marks a key moment in the development of aquatic life. So the next time you see a fish swimming effortlessly in a pond or aquarium, remember the fascinating and highly efficient respiratory system working behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this underwater exploration, let us know in the comments what other animal adaptations should we dive into next.